Brett here with Darkstorm Industries. We're at Triggercon 2018, and here we're debuting our Ds10 Hurricane. Last year we produced a model. We were trying to reach out to a mile with a gas gun, so we created one for SHOT Show in 2018. We did take it out to a mile in 6.5 Creedmoore with a 130 grain bullet. We put 3 rounds out of 10 on a 16-inch plate at a mile away. Got a lot of hype. We decided to move forward with a production model, which we have here today. It's based on a Ds10 platform. This model comes with a 24-inch stainless heavy barrel with a 1 1/8 twist, chambered in 6.5. It has a nickel Teflon plated bolt carrier group, a drop-in 4-pound single-stage trigger, ambidextrous safety selector switch, billet upper and lower receiver set, and a Magpul PRS stock. This gun retails at $18.95.